Marhaba friends, this is Sir Jen in the bottle and welcome to my channel. And now we are here at Doha Festival City and we found this machine. You see that? It's a K-pop vending machine. I'll show it to you. K-pop house and you'll see the BTS videos, and these are the items, the merch that they have. So on how to buy, you just need to choose the products, click on this machine, the screen, and then make sure that you have the exact amount. And then they'll just put the money here. Okay, ito yung mga samples ng kanilang merch. Here, yun. There, they have small notebooks, the macaron lip balms. Ayun si Jimin. Si Chimi. And then, ayun si ang BT21 ni J-Hope. That is Mang. Ayan si Tata. And then they have the mystery toys. Ayun. Tapos they also have wet wipes. And a pencil case. You'll have more products here. Ayan yung mga pillows. You'll see the pillows there. Ayan si Jimin. Of course, si Jungkook. They have the butter. What's this? That's the butter album ba yun? Butter album. Ayan. And they have the icons of K-pop na book. So I don't know how much is this. And they have a cute tumbler here. And stickers. There. The amount, ayan. It's like the wipes is 45. Most of the items are sold out na. Just like this, the pen is sold out. Pero we still have this. Ayan. 45, 100. And then there. So try natin yung keyboard. No, I'll cancel kasi I will not buy anything. Return. Ayan lang. If you want to see that, it's just near Five Guys restaurant. Okay, so this is Five Guys. Yung Five Guys, and the machine is just right there. Yun.
Port D.
Where? There's the machine. What is it?
Port D yung gate number. Port D.
Port D is the gate number. Okay, so hope you like this short video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jenny in the Bottle. See you in my next video. Bye!